talker. Man, she better than the news. If you want a review, then tune in to Juice View. Real charming, plus a vibe high too.
This is the night before I start the Daniels fast. And I don't know. Excited, scared, all the above. Anything you could think of. Praying our last 21 days. Whew. All right, so what these are mushroom caps, and what I did was season them with all of the seasonings that I like to use that are in my pantry. I washed them and I patted them dry, and then I started seasoning them. I like to use it with my potatoes. Lord, I need some more garlic. My meal is actually pretty good. I am ecstatic about this. For real, I almost want to cuss, but I can't because I'm on a Daniels fast. And that's one of the things I'm fasting about. Let me show y'all what I'm eating right quick. You know, it's not a picture anyway, but it's good. Mommy. Just like steak. Just like steak. So far, so good. It is now 4:53 p.m. January 30th, day 1 of the Daniels fast. So far, I've had today I had the mushroom. I had the portobello mushroom cap, and I kind of like seared it on both sides like if it was a steak or something. And then I after I did that, I put some onions, celery, bell pepper in the frying pan that I did the mushrooms in. Try to saute those a little bit, and I added some garlic, saute a little bit more. Then I added the spinach to that and some seasonings, and got that together, put it on top of the mushroom caps. And I had some roasted potatoes. I had little small potatoes that I roasted, so that was good. And so far I've had some herbal tea with honey, because you know you can't have like the sugar or nothing like that. So I had some herbal tea with honey and some water. And then I had some peanuts. They were mixed nuts, unsalted mixed nuts with some raisins, some golden raisins, and they were pretty good. So I'm just trying to make it. I get to 8 o'clock because I'm not eating after 8. I get to 8. I might just go to bed because Lord, I'm gonna have another 20 days to go. Y'all pray my strength in the Lord. Let me tell you something. In 20 days, when these 21 days over, I'm getting the biggest crab leg. You hear me? The biggest crab leg. The biggest. With about 2 pounds of shrimp. I'm getting the king crab legs. I'm gonna get all kinds. Might even get a lobster tail. But so far, so good. I will say that. Like, I've been drinking my water and everything, and so far so good. I really like the mushroom thing, but I know I'm probably get tired of mushrooms. So I'm gonna have to find something to do with eggplant, because I like eggplant some. So I'm gonna have to do something with that. I just don't know what to do about these Ezekiels.
We can't even put me out advertising. Nathaniel. Nathaniel, don't this shoot a baby.
I'm trying to tell you. Probably a little bit.
Girl, that thing smell like outside.
Disgusting.
Smell like outside.
Disgusting.
Ooh. I don't even know if I'm hungry still. I like just need to eat some carrots.
You gotta do something.
Jesus.
Wait a minute, girl. This is gonna have to be a pass. This thing say process and package that plant stamp. Don't. Oh, okay. But I mean,
it ain't got nothing crazy.
it don't.
Google
It just contains almonds.
Google said we can use almond milk. Nah.
Well, that's what we gonna do, because God got to meet us.
Yeah, Lord.
Especially on this day one.
For real. Because it's only day one. It's really only day one. Girl, it'll be over before you know it.
Child.
You gotta keep your faith.
Child, show people these Ezekiels. Ezekiel said he saw him. Oh, yes. The wheel in the middle of the wheel. Oh, yes. John talked about him. I used to leave that song.
Girl, you got a little bit apple.
Because I'm going to try it. I ain't even about to pour a whole heap knowing that I might not eat it.
Hey, she's a smooth talker. Man, she better than the news. If you want a review, then tune in to Jules View. Real charming, plus a vibe high too. Subscribe while you
go ahead and fast forward on to the next few seconds. Ain't nothing to see here.
Nah, be for real.
I know it's a wheat cereal. You know what I'm saying? Like whole grain in it. Let's try these. Ezekiel said he saw him.
Girl.
With the milk, it don't have that smell like that.
Like outside.
Yeah, it don't smell like dog food.
Yeah.
Because that's what it would smell like, dog food.
That's what it look like. They don't taste like nothing.
Not nothing. Oh, and the aftertaste is coming.
Is it good? The aftertaste is no.
I can't say it's bad, but it sure enough ain't good.
It's nothing like about a food of life. Jesus. Who I see people just be big as hell and hate.
Okay.
I see.
At this point. Whew.
You don't like it?
Maybe we should might try the other one, but I don't even know. The other one got what in it? Blueberry?
Other one, they ain't had the blueberry one in there. The other one was just plain.
Oh, definitely a no.
That one was the only one with a little something. They ain't had the rest of them in there. It was just two.
It tastes like whatever millet is, that's what it tastes like. Whatever that is. Whatever millet is, that's what these Ezekiel 49s taste like. Oh my Lord. Let me try a piece of almond somewhere in here.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to get real hungry to eat that.
Definitely gonna be about starved out. You wanna cry. I wanna cry. Lord. What I done got myself into.
Who are we?
I'm gonna have, like I said, we're gonna have to go somewhere every day. I'm gonna have to get about 5 subs. That's all.
Okay, can we have pickles?
We should, cause it's a
It's cucumber. It's a
like a vegetable, and we can have vinegar.
Oh, Jesus, that's funny. I don't know about that.
Hey, she's a smooth talker. Man, she better than the news. If you want a review, then tune in to Jules View. Real charming, plus a vibe high too. Subscribe while you at it, you should leave it like 2 Jules Views. Jules Views. Subscribe while you at it, you should leave it like 2 Jules Views. Jules Views.